Right. Do you want to talk quickly? Welcome to another video, Jacob versus Cleveland's. And tonight, Daddy's speaking. Oh, there goes Mr. Wildside. There you go, Stephen. And we're actually in Blackpool tonight, watching the fireworks, and Jacob's keeping nice and dry. So enjoy. Oh, hang on. Myself, I got it the right way around there. I do apologise. It's the Italian team tonight. I can't remember for the life of me what they're called.
Italy.
Yeah, I know, but they've got a real name like Perdicola Italia or something like that. It's Perdi something Italia. I do apologise.
What are you sitting on?
I don't know. He must have brought a little stool to sit on you. Hey, I wonder if that's Blackpool Sights and Sounds. No, it don't look like it, does it? But camera there, tripod. That geezer there with tripod.
That's Blackpool Ethan fan.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't know that.
it's Ethan fan.
Right,
Fan
yeah.
came Blackpool. He had their own YouTube channel and he does lots of photography and that.
Cool.
He photographed all the wagon stuff.
Right, cool, excellent.
So he said that's what to be with Ethan as well.
Yeah, or maybe we should definitely get him on you know, watch his channel as well. Yeah, careful about the anti-shake. We've not got the gimbal tonight. It's ad hoc is the word. Oh, they're nice, aren't they? Oh, loud. Oh, like very loud.
Look what I've done.
I can't. I'm videoing for
What
you.
is finished?
Right, your mum's just said she'll be setting off to Blackpool in 5 to 10 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
It's going to take us 10 minutes to walk to where she's picking us up. Actually, I'll tell her to pick us up at Dixon Road instead. It'll be closer for us. Too hot. Ridiculous, isn't it?
I know.
So I was going to tell your mum to pick us up at Dixon Road. See how close she is when the fireworks finish. Sorry? Yeah. It's the last one tonight. No, this isn't the finale. It's only been going for 6 minutes. Should be lots left yet, shouldn't there? That'll wake you up if you're fast asleep trying to stay off your nights. Cool. We did, yes. A walk on the wild side. He is, yeah, so he wouldn't speak to us, would he? Unfortunately.
Why?
Because he's on a live
Why
stream.
would you not be able to pass it on the line?
He doesn't want to have a conversation with us.
That would be perfect.
It isn't. He's just making sure that he doesn't spoil the, the experience for his viewers. Oh dear. Including us when we get back, because most likely end up watching his again anyway.
Is that it?
No. Some more, yeah, look. It's only been on for 8 minutes.
How many minutes are they using for?
About 15 or 20, is it? Something like that. Well, I know when I used to watch them out the back of my flat, they used to seem like they were going on for nigh on 25 minutes, but I'm sure they didn't. I'm sure they lasted about 15 to 20, something like that. Faces! That's what they look like, isn't it? Smiley faces. Woohoo!
crouching down.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh. Rather him than me. I don't think my legs would cope with crouching down all that. It's rain and that. It's lovely under here, it's grand. I think that might have been it.
Yeah.
I think that might have been it.
Yeah.
I can't see any more start coming up.
No.
And a lot of people seem to be leaving, so... Well, that was nice and quick.
Yeah.
Well, say quick. Quarter of an hour. About normal time, yeah.
Yeah.
you want to say bye-bye to everybody?
Bye.
Do you want me to get you on camera and you can say bye-bye?
Yeah.
There you go, son.
Bye. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe. Hit the bell. You don't do the next one.
Bye.
Bye.